Have you ever wondered how the rich keep getting richer, even when they spend? While most people see money leaving their wallet as an expense, the wealthy see it as an opportunity. Here's something crazy. The average millionaire spends money in a way that makes them even more money. Studies show that 80% of millionaires are self-made, and they follow a simple rule: spend smarter, not lesser. By the end of this video, you'll learn the hidden strategies that the wealthy use to turn every dollar spent into an investment. And trust me, after watching this, you'll never look at spending the same way again. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. The cashback effect. Earning while spending. Let me introduce you to David, a 32-year-old entrepreneur. David doesn't just spend money, he gets paid to do it. How? Through cashback and rewards programs. While most people swipe their credit cards and lose money, David uses high-reward credit cards strategically. Every month, he spends $5,000 on business expenses, groceries, and travel. But instead of just spending, he gets 3 to 5% cash back on purchases. That's $200, $250 back every month, or nearly $3,000 per year in free money. Not all spending is equal. The wealthy maximize credit card rewards, cashback offers, and points to make their spending work for them. Use high-reward credit cards for everyday expenses but never carry a balance. Interest will kill the benefits. Check if you're missing out on travel points, cashback apps, or store rewards that could save you thousands yearly. Imagine if you're spending money anyway, why not make money back from it? Number 2. The appreciating assets strategy. Buying what grows in value. Investing in appreciating assets means putting your money into things that don't just hold their worth, but actually grow over time. It's about shifting from spending on liabilities that lose value to acquiring assets that build your wealth steadily. This strategy matters because it breaks the cycle of short-term gratification and moves you towards long-term financial security. Imagine if every dollar you spent today could multiply in the future. Wouldn't that change how you view your financial decisions? Take the story of Emily, who started investing early in rental properties instead of buying expensive jewelry. Over the years, her properties appreciated, providing a steady income stream and substantial equity. This strategy allowed her to retire comfortably while her peers struggled with debt from overspending on non-essential items. Shift your mindset from spending on liabilities to investing in assets that appreciate. Number 3. The leverage play. Using other people's money. The rich don't just use their own money, they use leverage. Why? Because smart borrowing can accelerate wealth creation. Let's talk about leverage. The wealthy don't buy everything with their own cash. Instead, they use loans, investments, or partnerships to make bigger moves. Example: Michael wants to buy a rental property worth $500,000. Instead of paying all cash, he takes a mortgage with 20% down, which is $100,000. His tenants cover the monthly mortgage payments. In 10 years, the house appreciates to $800,000, and Michael's equity grows to $400,000, quadrupling his money. This is how smart debt makes the rich richer. Not all debt is bad. If used wisely, leverage turns small investments into massive wealth. Learn about good versus bad debt. Mortgages and investments are good debt. Credit card debt, personal loans for buying things are bad debt. Instead of buying expensive items in full, leverage money for assets that grow in value. Number 4. Making purchases that pay you back. What if I told you there's a way to spend money and get it back every month? Rich people don't just buy things. They buy things that pay them every month. Instead of spending $50,000 on a luxury car, Jacob buys a $50,000 vending machine business. His machines make $2,000 per month in profit. In 2 years, not only has he recovered his money, but now he has an extra $24,000 per year flowing in. Now he can buy the car without financial stress, because his vending machines are paying for it. Before a big purchase, ask, how can I buy this in a way that pays me back? Instead of buying expensive things outright, invest in cash-flowing assets first. Look for small businesses, rental properties, or dividend stocks that generate passive income. Number 5. The experience over objects rule. Most people spend thousands on the latest phone, but hesitate to invest in a course that could 10x their income. They'll upgrade their car, but not their knowledge. This is why so many remain stuck, because they prioritize temporary pleasures over lifelong gains. The truth? The highest returning assets aren't things, they're skills and connections. Spend on things that make you more valuable in the market. Take that money and invest in books, courses, mentorships, and experiences that expand your skills and network. Skills and relationships compound over time, while objects depreciate fast. Your earning potential is your greatest appreciating asset. Invest in it. A $1,000 phone loses value every year. A $1,000 course can make you an extra $10,000 every year. Which one is the better investment? Number 6. The tax strategy. Keeping more money and growing wealth legally. It's not just about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. People work hard, earn more, and then lose a huge chunk to taxes because they don't understand the tax game. Meanwhile, the wealthy legally minimize their taxes and reinvest the savings into appreciating assets. Take Sarah, a high-income earner who shifted from being an employee to a business owner. By setting up an LLC, investing in real estate, and using legal tax deductions, she saved thousands annually, money that she reinvested into new assets. Compare this to someone who earns a high salary but doesn't leverage tax strategies. They end up paying 30 to 40% of their income in taxes with little left for wealth building. The solution? Learn about deductions, tax-advantaged accounts, and investment structures that let you keep more of your earnings. If you don't play the tax game wisely, you'll always work harder while others get richer by working smarter. Taxes are your biggest expense. Learn how to legally minimize them. Keeping more money means more capital to invest in appreciating assets. Ignoring tax strategies is like filling a bucket with holes. You're earning, but most of it leaks away. The rich? They plug the holes and let their money overflow. Number 7. The buying in bulk and ownership strategy. Did you know that most people overpay for things they use every day just because they buy them the wrong way? Here's an example. Emily, a regular shopper, buys bottled water every week, spending around $5 per pack. Over a year, she spends $260 on water. Now, imagine she buys a high-quality water filter for $150 instead. Not only does she stop spending on bottled water, but she also saves money for years. The wealthy apply this strategy on a much bigger scale. Instead of renting software, tools, or services, they buy lifetime access or even buy the company. Instead of renting an office, business owners buy commercial properties, turning rent into an appreciating asset. Some wealthy individuals invest in Starbucks stock, so every coffee they buy helps their own investment grow. Look at your monthly expenses. What do you pay for repeatedly that you could own instead? If you regularly use something, software, memberships, even food, check if buying in bulk or investing is cheaper in the long run. At the start of this video, I asked, how do the wealthy make money while spending? Now you have the answer. Use cashback and rewards wisely. Buy appreciating assets. Leverage other people's money. Invest in cash-flowing purchases. Spend on skills and networks and play the tax game legally. Now, here's your challenge. Pick just one of these strategies and start applying it today. I believe in the power of shared knowledge. If this video inspired you, like it, share it with your love circle, and subscribe for more transformative tips. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.